My name is Alex, and I want to tell you a story about my first day of school. It's a day I will never forget. I was only 6 years old, and everything was new to me. I was nervous, but also very excited. The morning started with my mom waking me up early. "Alex, it's time to get ready for your big day," she said with a smile. I got out of bed slowly, feeling a mix of emotions. I ate breakfast quickly because I couldn't wait to see what school would be like. My mom packed my bag the night before. It had pencils, notebooks, and even my favorite lunchbox with a picture of a red car on it. When we arrived at the school, there were so many kids and parents everywhere. Some children were crying, while others looked happy. I held my mom's hand tightly as we walked inside. The school building was big, with colorful walls and a lot of noise. It felt like a different world. We walked into my classroom, and my teacher, Mrs. Taylor, greeted us at the door. She was kind and had a warm smile. "Welcome, Alex. I'm so happy to have you in my class," she said. I felt a little better after hearing her kind words. My mom kissed me on the forehead and said, "Have a great day. I'll pick you up later." And then she left. I looked around the classroom. There were desks in neat rows, colorful posters on the walls, and a big board at the front. I chose a desk near the window. A boy sitting next to me said, "Hi, I'm Tom." He had a friendly face. "Hi, I'm Alex," I replied. Just like that, I made my first friend. The first activity of the day was introducing ourselves. Each child stood up, said their name, and shared something they liked. When it was my turn, I stood up nervously and said, "My name is Alex, and I like cars." Some kids smiled, and I felt happy that they listened to me. After that, Mrs. Taylor showed us how to write our names. She gave us paper and colorful crayons. I wrote my name carefully and added a little drawing of a car next to it. "Good job, Alex," Mrs. Taylor said. Her encouragement made me feel proud. At lunchtime, we all sat together in the cafeteria. I opened my lunchbox and found a sandwich, an apple, and a small chocolate bar. Tom sat next to me, and we talked about our favorite toys while we ate. I realized that school wasn't so scary after all. In the afternoon, we had playtime outside. The school had a big playground with swings, slides, and a sandbox. I played on the swings with Tom and a few other kids. We laughed a lot and ran around until we were out of breath. It was so much fun. Later, we went back to the classroom for story time. Mrs. Taylor read us a story about a brave little bird learning to fly. Her voice was soft and made us feel calm. I loved the story and thought about how the bird was a little like me, nervous but ready to try something new. As the day came to an end, Mrs. Taylor gave each of us a star sticker for doing a great job on our first day. I stuck mine on my shirt and felt proud. When my mom came to pick me up, I ran to her with a big smile. "How was your day, Alex?" she asked. "It was great. I made a friend, played on the swings, and even got a star." I told her everything on the way home. That night, I couldn't stop talking about school. I told my dad about Tom, Mrs. Taylor, and the brave little bird from the story. I think I'm going to like school, I said, and I did. Every day after that, I looked forward to learning new things and making more friends. Now, as an adult, I still remember my first day of school like it was yesterday. It taught me that new beginnings can be scary, but they can also be exciting and full of wonderful surprises. I'll always be grateful for that day and the lessons it taught me.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.